I'll walk you through how to use up some leftover scraps and remnants to create a envelope style pillow. If you want to use the exact pattern that I'm using, you can download it by following the link in the description below, or you can create your own style pillow for this as well. To start with, you want to arrange your scraps. Lay your fabric scraps out in a collage. You just need to make sure that your scrap collage is big enough for your pillow pattern to fit. I do recommend using squares and rectangles, especially if this is your first time working with scraps. It's just a lot easier to work with straight edges than curved edges. Once you are happy with your scrap collage, sew all of your pieces together. Then you will cut out your pattern pieces from your scraps. For the two back pieces, you'll want to hem the inner side. On the pattern that I made, there is a 1-inch hem allowance. Then you want to overlap these back pieces 3 inches and baste them along the sides. Now you want to sew the front and the back of the pillow together all the way around the perimeter with right sides together. All you have to do now is turn the pillow to the right side through that envelope hole in the back, and then you're finished. You can use this with a standard sized bed pillow.